Welcome to the Daily Devo. My name is Diana. Today we are talking about ask, seek, knock. So growing up, there was a picture in our house that I absolutely love. It said ask, seek, knock. And it had 3 different pictures on it. And it was these kids in this beautiful painted cottage setting. And I just loved this picture. I would spend so much time looking at it and thinking about it and wondering what was happening in the lives of those kids. And every time I walked by, it grabbed my eye. And at first, to be honest, I thought the picture was all about asking for treats, like asking for sweets and fresh baked goods, because that's what the kids in the picture seemed to be doing. But as I got older, I realized it was about so much more than sweets and treats. Yet my first impression wasn't that far off either. Hey, listen closely to today's verses. It's from Jesus' message on the Sermon on the Mount, his message from the hillside, where he's teaching his disciples and his crowd, and he's helping them understand the way of God and the heart of God. Here's what he says in Matthew 7, verses 7 through 12. He says this. He says, "Ask, and it will be given to you. Seek, and you will find. Knock, and the door will be open unto you. For everyone who asks receives. He who seeks finds, and to him who knocks the door will be opened. Which of you, if your son asked for bread, would give him a stone? Or if your child asks for a fish, would give them a snake? If you then, though you are evil, know how to give good gifts to your children, how much more will your Father in heaven give good gifts to those who ask him? So in everything, do to others what you would have them do to you, for this sums up the law of the prophets." What if you and I remembered, or we chose to believe, that God is a good father? A good father that invites his kids, that's you and I, right? Anybody who accepts this gift of grace that Jesus offers to all people, that's how you become adopted as a child of God. What if all of us as children of God remembered that God is a good father? And his goodness is not dependent upon my actions or my thoughts or your actions or your thoughts and feelings today. God is a good father, and he invites his kids to ask, to seek, and to knock. What would you ask God today? What would you knock on his door for? What would you seek from him? Let's walk in courage today. Let's ask, seek, and knock. Jesus invited us to do so. He says, would you come to me like a kid who trusts in their good father, a kid who trusts in their good parent, trust them enough to say, hey, may I have this? Hey, I'm seeking help with this. Hey, I'm knocking for this door to be open. What if we trusted God just as much as those little kids in the painting trusted the person that they were knocking and seeking and asking from? What if we believed that God was good like he said? And watch what God would do and how he would meet us in this moment. Let's ask, seek, and knock. We'll see you next time.